So hello and welcome to Astrology with Krishna. So today we are going to talk about planet Venus and when this planet Venus conjoins with other planets and what can be the results. Okay. Now we will start with Venus and Rahu. Now this Venus Rahu, these natives will have a materialistic approach in life and they will give a lot of preference on your external appearance, on your external beauty. Okay. So they'll focus more on how their spouse looks. Okay. And this is their basic requirement whenever they get into a relationship. All right. And they crave for a physical connection. Okay, so that is the basic thing when they are in a relationship. Okay, now we'll talk about Venus Ketu. So Venus Ketu, now these natives will have a spiritualistic approach in life, and like Rahu, they were having preference on your external beauty. Here in Venus Ketu, this native will have a preference on inner beauty, right? They want their partner to be connected with them. You must have seen some people who believes in soulmates and all, right? They have a kind of a partner in their mind and they are just feel like that they cannot live without their partners. Okay, they just want to be mentally connected with their partners. So this is the case when Venus conjoins with Ketu. Okay, so they have a karmic connections with their partners also in both the cases. But in Venus Rahu, you will see that the relationship will be start in a very grand way. Okay, then later on it will gets disturbed. Okay, and in Venus Ketu, this relationship will start with a very bitter experiences in their life. They will get so much conflicts in their relationship, but and with the passing years they will understand and they will adjust with each other. They will run their lives with mutual understandings. Okay, so this is Venus Rahu and Venus Ketu. So whenever you find such conjunctions in anyone's chart, so you can tell them that these are the things and this is their approach. Okay.